this code is in C programming. This code I will enter numbers, 3 or 4 numbers. This code will calculate the maximum number and put it in maximum value. So this code is will calculate the maximum value in given group of numbers. So this code contains two functions: the main function, which is this one, and another function which is maximum function, this one. Okay, the calling statement is this one. This is the calling statement. So let's start with the main function. In main function, I enlarge the code by using the control and the scroller of the wheel of the mouse. Control and wheel, it will enlarge the code, and at the same time in the reverse it's a decrease or zoom out the code. So this is the calling statement. Okay, first enter the number of numbers. So I need to enter 5 numbers, 10 numbers, 100 numbers, and this value which you will enter will be saved in this variable, which is the number. This is defined as a global variable, the number. Then I defined or declared 3 variables, one which is named maxi, this one, and I, and another array which is degree, and degree, its index is the number, or the size is the number. Okay. Then I created for loop. Started the counter is I, starts from 0, I, while I less than the number, which is the number of numbers, and update I by 1, increment it by 1. I plus plus means I equals I plus 1. Then this message will be obtained to the user. Enter the number. He will enter the number. The number which will entered has index. So here start with 0 index, then 1, and so on until we be before the number by 1. Okay, so we start from 0 to n minus 1, which is the number minus 1. Then the number we will be entered will stored in an array which is named degree, and its index is I. So we start with 0, so the first number will be saved in degree of 0. So all the numbers will be saved in the array of degree. Okay, after that we here, this is the value maxi, the variable maxi will equal maximum degree. Here it's calling the function maxi, okay, and after that we will print the maximum, maximum value. So here is the maximum function. This maximum function, its argument is the array degree. Here we transfer the address of the array, not all the array, only the address. This is transferring the address of the array. And here in the maximum function, it has three variables, maxi, j, and x. And here j is a counter in the for loop, starts from 0, and while j less the number j plus plus. Note here the number is defined as global variable. Okay, so we changed the number here, so the number is fixed on all the main function and in the maximum function, the same value. We entered its value in the main function by this statement, this one, this statement. Okay, so it's the same value, not to change it, because it's defined as global variable outside the two functions, all functions. Okay, so if degree of j, here j started by 0, greater than x, let x equals the value of degree of 0. But if degree of 0 less than x, so nothing will happen. Okay, so we will take another value, and compare it with x. All time x has the greatest value, so we compare degree of j by the greatest value. If degree of j greater than x, we exchange both the value of degree of x in x, so x has the greatest, and so on until we finish the whole loop. Then we transfer x to maxi equals x, then we return maxi. So this function maximum will return the variable maxi, which has the maximum value in the degree array. So the maximum value will be put it here in maxi because it comes with maximum degree. Okay, let's operate the program and see what it works. So here enter the number of numbers, we put 3, so we will enter 3 numbers. Enter number of index 0, I will put 100, then enter number 1, so I will put 15, then enter number 2, I will put 150. So the maximum here will be, maximum degree is 150. Okay, so we can change it by entering 10 numbers. So the first one is 1, the second is 2, the third is 5, the fifth is 6, and so on until we finish all the numbers. Okay, so the maximum is the last one is 100. Okay, thanks for listening.